okay? And no, you do not have to use your voice. You do not have to show your face. None of that stuff. This is introvert approved. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to show you 13 ways on how you can make money with your phone. And no, it's not social media. It's not showing your face on Instagram, showing your face on YouTube. It's not being on camera. It's not using your voice. No, none of that. If you're an introvert like me and you want to make money and get to the bag with just your phone, creating videos, taking photos, stuff that you're probably already doing. Or maybe you're an artistic genius and you are able to put elements together. You can sell that and get to the bag. Get that money, all of the things. Okay, so if you're shy and you are like me, and you're probably like, girl, you are not an introvert. But I am, sis. I really am. It's just that I've been bought with the price, and I do not have that luxury of staying behind the camera because my daddy tells me to go on camera. And he tells me to share the word. So that's what I'm doing. But if you stick around in the video, and if you wait till the end, I'm going to give you 3 extra ones. And even though one is not taking applications, it is, I guarantee you, by far one of the best ones. And it's worth me noting to you. So stick around, pull up your screen, and we're going to get through these beautiful 13. All right, so let's get all up into the video. We're going to start with number 1. Of course, if you haven't heard, then Shutterstock is number 1. One of the biggest stock marketplaces on earth. You upload, they accept it. You earn each time someone downloads your image or footage. It's great for photography and, yes, AI, vector art, video clips, and you get royalties per download. Is it passive? Yes. Next one, Adobe Stock, which we all know Adobe. It's high quality and high paying. They accept AI images as long as they follow, they meaning us, meaning you, guideline standards. So it's great for aesthetic visuals, mock-ups, AI images, B-roll videos, and yes, if you know how to make mock-ups, this is where you're really going to get to the bag, okay? Their payout has strong royalties, and is it passive? Highly. The next one is Getty Images, or you might know it as iStock. It's premium. iStock is the more accessible sibling, harder to get into, but excellent earnings once they accept you. They're great for more professional looking photos or very clean AI work. So the payout is very high tier. And yes, they are passive. The next one, which you probably heard if you heard of Etsy or you heard of all those other marketplaces where you can sell digital products, Creative Market is, they also take. You could sell AI images, digital art, templates, clip art, style stock photography, and you set your own price. So they don't do the royalties, you set your own price. Downloads, you get cha-ching. Is it passive? Yes. Now, before we even continue, when I say passive, I mean you take the image or you create the image once, and you don't have to keep recreating or reselling that same image. You upload it, you create it once, or you upload it once, and that's it. If there are, say, Creative Marketplace, if someone emails you, or if someone wants to get in contact with you, it's not passive income in the extent that you have to respond. So if you have to respond to your clients, then no, it's not passive. But it's passive that you do the work once and you get paid multiple times. Envato elements. It's great for templates, it's great for mockups, it's great for graphic assets, AI visuals, and yes, videos. Once you build a portfolio, yes, it can definitely become passive income. And next one, you're probably surprised, but it's not taking applications. It is, I guarantee you, by far one of the best ones, and it's worth me noting to you. We have my favorite, which is Canva Contributors Program. You're probably like, wait, you can sell images to Canva? Yes, come on. Where do you think all those images come from? So how it works is so first off, Canva, as we know, is great for mockups, it's great for templates, it's great for images, photos, background images, videos, B-rolls, you name it, okay? I just love Canva. And it's royalties per use. So once the customer uses that images, then you're getting paid for it. And passive, absolutely. Next one, Deposit Photos is number 7. They take photos, AI photos, and illustrations. It's smaller, but consistent when it comes to the payout. And 123RF. This is another solid royalty-based doc site with consistent demand. So everyday lifestyle shots, and it's AI friendly. So you get paid in royalties. Y'all, you can start making income royalties for your children's children. So you do this work and then they'll benefit years to come, okay? I'm just saying. Alimony. It pays some of the highest royalties in the stock world. Okay, they accept more unique or less traditional images too. So it's great for artistic photos, it's great for niche AI concepts, travel abstract work, and they have very high commission, okay? And it's a check mark for the passive. Then we have for number 10, which is our last one, is Pound 5. This one is golden. This one is king, okay? This one is for video creators. So if you love filming videos, if you love creating videos, if you love all things video content, it's right here. This is right here. You make B-rolls, you make clips, you make cinematic shots, AI generated footage. Pound 5 is where this money is, okay? So if you're looking to get that bag, then this is, and you love videos, this is the one that you want to be on, okay? And if you stuck around to the video, I have 3 more for you because thank you. I want to say thank you. The 11th one is Dreams Time. It's beginner friendly, stock website. Second one is Wire Stock. It lets you upload once and distribute to multiple sites like Shutterstock, Adobe, Deposit Photos, a dream for introverts who don't want to manage 10 dashboards at once. So if you want to pick one to just pick one software and upload it to multiple dashboards, Wirestock is where you're going to find it. Okay, pick fair. Set your own price. Very friendly to AI creators. So, hey, you don't have to be an artist. You don't have to take your own photos. But if you are great with a computer, you can find some income here. Okay, well, that's it. There you have it. There are the 13 make money from your cell phone. Nothing to it. It's stuff that you're already doing. All you have to do, literally, is upload it and then get the bag. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please like and subscribe. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you haven't already, what's going on? Why not? All right. I love y'all. God bless. Stay loyal. Stay faithful. And bye.